Hi, my name is Nat, and I'm a mindful artist based in Brooklyn. Today, I want to show you how to make a really cute and earthy flower crown. The flower crown also reminds me to just go with the flow of life and just keep moving with change in a light way. I usually start my creative time by marking it with some beginning ritual. I like to light a scented candle to activate my senses and just to have something really pretty around. So for this project, I've already sketched out what I'm gonna do just because I find that gives me some mental clarity on that task at hand. So I start with my natural raffia, kind of untangle it, and then I simply start to braid. It doesn't have to be perfect. I kind of like the quality of it just being kind of natural. Cut off the end excess, and then I also enforce with a bit of wire. And now it's time to add my flowers in. It's a combination of natural dried ones as well as some foam ones. And I want to just weave them into the raffia. And then once it's in, but I also reinforce with wire. So this is the part where you just start designing. I choose colors very intuitively. It's not so much planned all the time, but rather I just let my senses do the work for me. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some felt. This is just to avoid any pinching with the wire. So now that the felt is done, I am gonna attach my little ribbon with a little bit of wire, and then I will also glue it on. You can cut it however long you would like the ends to be. The point of this is just to have a little fun bow at the end and also to adjust it to your head size. I'm gonna let this visual reminder allow me to tap into the flow of life and feel less tied to one place. Made by Nat. Look out for my classes so we can make more things together.